Hi everyone, welcome to North Campus Essential Calculus Problem Series. In this series, we solve important calculus problems step by step, making sure every concept is clear and easy to follow. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. In this video, I will solve the integral of cosine to the power of 5x dx. For that, let's write the integral again. Integral of cosine to the power of 5x dx. We cannot integrate cosine to the power of 5x dx directly because the exponent of cosine x here is 5. Therefore, first we need to reduce the power of it. But I want you to pay attention. The reduction method I'm going to show here can be applied to any case where the exponent of cosine x is an odd number. To solve the question, we separate one of the cosine x factors. And let's say this will be equal to cosine x times cosine to the power of 4x dx. But pay attention, in any case where the exponent of cosine x is odd, we do it the same way. Just separate a single cosine x factor and write the other part using sin x. How do we do that? Firstly, this integral becomes cosine x times cosine square of x square dx. And we know that cosine square of x is equal to 1 minus sine square of x. So here we will write 1 minus sine square of x instead of cosine square x. Then the integral becomes integral cosine x times 1 minus sine square x square dx. Here you can see that the derivative of sin x is cosine x. So we can use here substitution because let's say sin x equals to u, then differentiate both sides. Cosine x times dx becomes du. This means that we can write here du for cosine x dx, and we will write here u for sin x. Then the integral becomes the integral of 1 minus u square times du. And 1 minus u square, this will be equal to 1 over 4 to the power of 4 minus 2 times u square plus u to the power of 4 times du. And let's integrate it. The integral of 1 is u minus 2 times the integral of u square, u to the power of 2 plus 1. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Then divide by 3 plus u to the power of 4 plus 1. Then divide by 4 plus 1 is 5. And the integral becomes u minus 2 over 3 times u to the power of 3 plus 1 over 5 times u to the power of 5. Sin x is u. So here we will write again sin x instead of u. This integral becomes sin x minus 2 over 3 times sin cube x plus 1 over 5 times sin to the power of 5x. And because the integral is indefinite, we will add a constant, and the answer will be this.